Welcome back, peeps. My name is Chad Wilson from Simple Cloudware, and today we are excited to announce that we are launching our first Jumpstart. You go, okay, why would we want to do a Jumpstart? What we have done is we created a Kingsumo giveaway. And that giveaway is coming due in about a week. And what we did is we had a video card that we put up for the giveaway, and people have been signing up for it. Well, of course, not everyone's going to win the giveaway, so we wanted to give them something which could start building our relationship. We also used a video card because our theory is that is something that would interest our target market. And we thought it would be great to give them a coupon that would give the Jumpstart for absolutely free. And what is this Jumpstart? This gives them all the tools they need to get started in the serverless cloud. No experience required. So what do we do to create this Jumpstart? Well, we started by focusing on three things. The first one was the installations of the actual software that you would need to use to build both an Angular site and a C# core function. The second thing that we did was we went through step by step of how you appropriately set up the Azure portal so that you'll only be charged pennies a month. And then the last thing that we did in this Jumpstart is we walk through step by step how you publish out of VS Code and how you publish out of Visual Studios to get both a UI and an API going serverlessly in the cloud. What is the desired result? Well, the first desired result we would like is to convert individuals that signed up for the giveaway. Now, we're starting off with a free Jumpstart course, but our hope is that when people get into it, that then they will sign up for the actual course. The second thing is we want to get the word out there so people will join our community both here on YouTube and on Discord. And the third thing that we hope to achieve by creating the Jumpstart is to get feedback, which could help us understand better our customers and how to create better videos that support them along the way. Also, it will give us insight into how we support them from going from someone that might not know anything about programming to actually putting a complete application in the serverless cloud. We're super excited about this milestone because it is our first step in building our sales funnel. We've come from just publishing tutorials on YouTube to now rearranging those tutorials into 2 courses and then building on top of that a sales funnel that starts collecting emails in which we can build relationships with actual people and then step by step bring them into the community. Keep your head in the cloud.